What people don't realize is that wearable tech can actually influence how you feel, how your body works. We have signals that allow you to feel alert, sleepy, calm, relaxed, happy, focused, on command at the click of a button through a wearable that we created. And that's where Hapbee finds itself in the marketplace. We can actually create sensations in your body that feel really good, that help you at certain parts of the day. The idea here is we can create a signal, a very precise signal that gets played onto your body through a magnetic field, and it creates a sensation. And we can then imitate cups of coffee, things like that. The technology behind Hapbee is built off of ultra-low radio frequency. Electromagnetic waves are really everywhere. Your brain gives off EMF, your heart gives off energy and frequencies as well. At Hapbee, we are protected by the same IP that our parent company, Emulate, has on how to get the signals, how to make the certain products to deliver them, and we utilize that patent technology and IP as we build our product and get it out to the world. So it's going to be very difficult for anybody else to imitate anything that we're doing for many, many years to come. We want to have a lot of different products that people can use throughout their day, you know, while they're sleeping, while they're hiking, or ski helmets, yoga mats, whatever it would be, using our technology inside of all those connected to the app. That's the vision for the company. And so for us, we want to just get simple adoption of the technology and have people use it throughout their daily life. The ability for people to tell almost 100% if it's on or off with a sham and blinded trial is very successful. We're excited about that. We're trying to make it accessible, easy to use, and feel great. And as we start to get this adoption throughout the world, it's going to be very hard for the skeptics to say anything. At Hapbee, we are very blessed to have incredible partners to help us take this technology worldwide. By 2025, we expect the wearable tech market to be around $62 billion, and we want to be a major player in that space.